Look, for me, the onset of prediabetes was sudden because I had done a test in December 2021. I did go back and look at my records, and my fasting sugar was fine. My H1ABC was fine. And then suddenly it came on. So I had read that if you acted quickly, you could reverse it. So my single objective was only to reverse my prediabetes and bring it back to normal. And I was willing to go whatever extra mile I had to go to reverse it. I was committed to it simply because I didn't want this to progress to diabetes. I have some of my work is actually dealing with diabetic patients in other ways, and I've seen all the chaos it causes, and I was absolutely committed not to go there. And so that was my single-minded goal on this program.